What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, with the market doing an okay job in the last month, which I'm surprised because September is typically a horrible month. Now, we do have Sunday, right? We tend to see a lot of Sundays that don't go the best. Saturdays go great. Sundays don't generally go the best. We tend to see like I don't know what people call it. It's like um, Crash Sunday or Must Fall Sunday, whatever. We see a Sunday that's just not a great day. So, and that's the 29th. So it's still the end of the month and we still have Monday as well. But what I wanted to talk about in this video is specifically the my Margex account, right? What's going on with leverage trading and where we stand, because I know people want to know what's happening there. And you could probably see the investments that are made if you're part of a copy trading portfolio. But the months prior, when we saw that absolute crash where Ethereum fell down, AVAX fell down, so many things just dropped down to ridiculously low points where I didn't expect to see that much of a drop because we've already seen a drop. And it surpassed that, went all the way back down to the 200 EMA, which I believe could have been a thing. But I was like, if we are truly going to see the bull market, I don't know if we're going to reach that 200 EMA because it's so far away from where the actual price was. Anyways, unfortunately, it did get down to those points. And within copy trading, I lost a lot of money there. Obviously, throughout my whole process of Margex, I've been able to gain a ton because I've been very conservative. But when it came to that, I wanted to find the lowest and lowest point. And every time I found that lowest point, it seemed like it just continued to drop. And while it looked like a certain support level, it wasn't. So now we're kind of digging our way or slowly digging our way out of the hole. We're not getting too aggressive. We still have a lot that's in reserves. But we're in the process now where we're trying to recover everything that was there, which again, we have enough money to do so. And with leverage trading, if you truly know what you're doing and where you're investing, you can get to those points. And right now, we're insanely positive, but it's still not enough. I'm going to go through my copy trading portfolio. I'm going to go through what is a benefit now within that portfolio and what I'm trying to do to recover your funds before I recover anything, because I could care less about me. What I care about is you guys. So if you could hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Where you can find my Margex link if you want to sign up for Margex and start copy trading or start trading yourself. Feel free to check out that link. It's at the top of the description. Now, Margex is a great platform to where they offer multiple things, where you can have your own platform, you can have a copy trading portfolio as well, and you can also copy other people's portfolios. Now, I'm going to start with my main portfolio, the one that I've gained, 30 plus $1,000 with in Margex. And right now, these positions, I have 5 different positions. I have Jasmine Coin to where I'm up 3,000%. I have XRP where I'm up 3,000%. I'm up 86% here on LTC, 288% on ICP, and then 81% on Sol. All of these positions, I've already taken my initial investment. I took $75 for XRP. I've taken $750 for Jasmine Coin. I've taken over $100 for actually $300, I believe, for Solana, $100 for ICP, and then I've taken a little bit for, I don't know exactly how much, but I've taken a little bit here. I think it was the 50 plus whatever I've gained, as it did get up to 70 plus dollars. So that's my main portfolio, my separate portfolio that I haven't really contributed to since I got my copy trading portfolio. Now, the copy trading portfolio, a lot of things are up a significant amount, well, more than what those are percentage wise, not really, but still dollar cost wise. You can see I'm up about $700 on Pepe, $200 on Link, $200 on Sol, $500 on Jasmine Coin, $500 on Dogecoin. You see $167, $92, $516, $242, $321, $2,100, and then 100. So total, it's around $6,000 ish, five or $6,000, something like that, that I've gained in unrealized gains, while only investing, 200 here, 100 here, 100 here, investing, let's say it's about $3,000 or $4,000. So I've been able to gain double what I've had, maybe even triple what I had to start investing, which is absolutely phenomenal to have. Um, but it's still not to the point to where I'm making up that amount, which is crazy. That goes to show how much actually was lost during that time period. Now, if we go over to my copy trading portfolio, it's not even on the first page. It doesn't look great. So I'm going to be honest with you. I always want to be frank with you guys. You guys can see everything. If we go to the second page, you're going to see that we're down. It says about 60. The ROI is negative like 67,000, right? Because if you go in here, it's going to show that there was about 11,000 that was lost in actual realized losses, instead of realized gains. It was at a $2,000 gain before everything that happened. Now the equity or the strategy is up to $13,000, which is great, which is higher than where it was because I consistently invested more. I told people that I'm not giving up on this portfolio. I understand my strategy may be unorthodox, but it will work. But if we go down here, just to be able to recover anybody else's losses first, I'm doing a different tier to where the first tier, if you invest $10, it's a 60 to 40, right? I only get 40%, and then you get 60. If you invest $500 or you invested $500, you get 80% of the profits that we have out there. Until we reach to where we're at a net positive, you'll get 80% of those profits. Honestly, I tried to go 100% that way. They wouldn't allow me to do it. So it's just 60, 70, and 80% that you guys can get. I tried my best to give you the most that you can get out of it. So that's kind of an incentive to be a part of it, and especially if you are new, to be a part of it as you're gathering more. You don't have to make up anything. You're just gaining what you can gain. So I appreciate all the people that are a part of it, because if we go into how many people are following, you have 23 people that are following at the moment. And again, right now we are very, very positive on our portfolio. And the hope is that we see altcoin season that happens soon. Ethereum ends up running, a lot of things end up running, even something as simple as Jasmine Coin, right? Jasmine Coin gets to a level of, let's say, 5 cents, and that's 1,000%, right? That's an 1,000% gain, which I have $200 that's there. So we're looking at $2,000 that we gained just in Jasmine Coin off of that $200 investment. So again, it's great if you find the right places to invest, because these cost bases are very low. Like you see this price, this open price is 16. So 1.6 cents, when it's currently at 2.5 cents, and the liquidation point is 1.3 cents. So the point is that you have a lot of risk, and that risk obviously showed negativity, but I believe that we're going to see so much more positivity out of this, and I can't wait for that to happen. And again, we have about $4,000 in reserve just in case we do see lower figures, which I don't necessarily think we are going to see that, because it did hit the 200 EMA if you look at it on a wider scale, which was honestly mind-boggling, the fact that it hit the 200 EMA from where it was, especially Ethereum. Ethereum was at like 4,500 or something, or 4,000, and ended up coming all the way down to $2,000, which my liquidation point was like 2,500. And everybody else's liquidation point was also 2,500. That's why I went from 2,500 down to 2,000, like literally broke and dropped $500 in an instant. That goes to show cryptocurrency is just risky in general, but leverage trading is into a highly volatile market is insanely risky. So if you don't want to take that risk, I totally understand, but I have a strategy, and I think this strategy is going to work. And know that I'm going to consistently be a part of this, consistently find the lowest points for when this does break out and what it's going to be worth. Don't worry, I have points to where I'm going to sell. for profit. And I want to see this thing succeed. I want to see you guys make a lot of money. So if you are a part of it, thank you for being a part of it. I understand it could be rough in the last 2 months, or was rough in the last 2 months. The first month was great, right? You saw it. I was, taking profit, and I had $2,000 worth of profit. And then, how everything dropped down, it was not the best situation ever. Because everything dropped down, and that's where I thought the lowest point was. But in reality, it wasn't. So, anyways, check out the links down below for Margex if you guys are interested. Also, you can check out the link for Trade Assist if you want to start trading and do it yourself. But anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.